So hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In my today's video I am sharing self-mobilization home exercise for the patients who are suffering from the loss of range of motion of the cervical flexion, or who have limited cervical flexion either due to the pain in the neck area or due to the tight musculature of the neck posterior area or the tight muscles in the neck posterior area. So let's start with the practical demonstration how you will release the tight muscles of the neck posterior area, or how you will mobilize your cervical spine or reduce your pain, so thus you will increase your cervical neck flexion movements at your home. So to perform this technique, the patient is in the sitting position. Now first the patient makes a fist and place below the chin area in this manner. Now patient actively flexes his neck, and once the chin is in contact with the fist or the thumb area, the patient will stop. Now from the other hand, the patient will over pressure the cervical flexion movement and hold this position for at least 10 seconds and relax. Again flex your neck. When the chin is in contact with the thumb or the fist, you can relax or stop the pressure. Now apply more over pressure from your another hand to the cervical flexion movement and hold this position for at least 10 seconds and relax. So perform this technique 7 times in a single day. You will get significant relief in your neck pain and also increases your cervical flexion movement. So do try this technique and let us know your valuable feedback in your comment section. Till then, stay connected and thank you.